Sprinkle citrus peels with salt, and you'll thank me later. This trick is genius. It saves money and works wonders. Next time you enjoy citrus fruits, don't toss the peels. Instead, throw the spirals into boiling water. Add 2 tablespoons of salt right away. Then mix in 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Stir well and let it simmer for a few minutes. Now, pour the mixture into a bowl to cool. The citrus peels are no longer needed. To enhance the formula, add 3½ ounces of vinegar. It should fizz slightly. Stir, then add 7 ounces of dish soap. Finally, pour in about 7 ounces of water and mix thoroughly. Transfer the liquid into bottles. Let's test it. Apply some to a sponge and watch it foam beautifully. I've never had dish soap this good. It cleans effectively, smells fresh, and is perfect for daily use. You're going to love it.